viewers, this is Dial Too Fast here. Now the reason I'm standing in front of this BMW is because I just finished filming a video, and depending on the time of the upload, you would have already seen this car in a previous video. But the reason I'm making this video today is because a couple of months ago, I reached 100,000 subscribers on my channel, and this is a big milestone for me because it has taken many years for my channel to slowly grow to get to this point. And I want to thank you guys for all your support. And with that, I received the YouTube Silver Creator Award, and I have it right here. In fact, I've not opened this. It's still sealed in the box right now. I want to take this time to open it with you guys because I couldn't have done it without your support. So let's open this up. Let me read the first part of this letter. You've just done something that very few YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. And here it is. This is the Silver Creator Award. Presented to Dial Too Fast for passing 100,000 subscribers. So here it is. Thank you for all your support. I can't thank you guys enough to help my channel grow. Now another way of supporting this channel is you can pick up the merchandise that you see below. And of course, I'll continue making videos for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video.